Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm walking you through the ultimate VPN setup guide for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even your router. Let's dive right in. First off, why do you need a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, keeps your online activities private, secures your data, and lets you access geo-restricted content. In today's digital age, it's a must-have. Alright, setting up a VPN on Windows or Mac is a breeze. Download your chosen VPN app, install it, and log in. Open the app, select a server location, and click Connect. Boom, you're protected. Now for Android and iOS. Head to the App Store or Google Play, download the VPN app and open it. Log in, choose a server, and hit that Connect button. Easy peasy. But what about routers? This one's a bit more technical. Log into your router's admin panel, usually found from your service provider. Look for the VPN Settings section, enter the required details like server address and credentials, and save. Your entire network is now protected. Customizing your VPN settings can enhance your experience. Look for features like split tunneling, kill switch, and custom DNS settings. These can give you more control over your connection. Ran into issues? Check your internet connection first. Restart your device or router. If all else fails, contact your VPN's customer support. In conclusion, setting up a VPN across all your devices is easier than you think. It keeps your data private, secures your network, and opens up a world of content. So go ahead and protect your digital life today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Stay safe online. Catch you in the next video.